Good day, our wonderful learners. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about articles a and the. When do we use them and how do they work? What is the difference between them? Stay with me until the end of this video and find the answers to these questions. Plus, we've got a free grammar quiz at the end to help you put your knowledge into practice. So, let's get started. A and the are articles in the English language. We use a before nouns and noun phrases that start with a consonant sound, while an is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. Both articles are used only with singular countable nouns. On the other hand, the is used with both singular and plural countable nouns. A common mistake is to omit articles or use them incorrectly. Below are some examples and explanations of their usage. I'm going to read a book. The book which I'm going to read is about history. In the first sentence, I say a book because this is the first time I talk about it. In the second sentence, I used the because we already know about the book. So we use the article a or an when we mention something or an event for the first time. We use the when the thing which we are talking about is already known, has been previously mentioned, or when it is obvious which specific thing or person we mean. The difference here is about being specific about the subject. For example, would you like to have a car? In this example, the speaker is asking about a car in general, without referring to any specific one. It doesn't matter which one. Would you like to have the car? In this example, both the speaker and the listener know which specific car is being referred to. Perhaps they have seen it before. This makes the noun car specific. We usually use the when we talk about general geographical areas: the beach, the land, the sea. Things which exist only in one form: the sky, the world. For example, the beach is a popular place to spend time in summer. In the world we live in today, technology is constantly evolving. The sky looks beautiful at sunset. But if we want to refer to a particular example of this, we can use a or an. A beach in this area has the clearest water I have ever seen. I saw a beautiful sky full of stars last night. A world of opportunities opened up for her after she graduated. You see, you can use both articles, a and the, in sentences, but the meaning would be a bit different. When we describe someone's job, we typically use a or an. But when we refer to a person's specific position, we use the. For example, she is a doctor. She is the CEO of a cosmetic company. When we speak generally about cultural sites, inventions and musical instruments, we usually use the. The Great Wall of China is the longest wall in the world. The guitar is one of the most impressive musical instruments. We also use them with the name of rivers: the Nile, the Amazon, as they are considered unique geographical features which are well known. When we talk about a group of mountains, we use the Alps, the Andes. Similarly, we use the with groups of islands, deserts, seas, and geographical regions. The Maldives, a group of islands. The Sahara, a desert. The Black Sea, a sea. The Amazon rainforest, a geographical region. Additionally, we use them with things that are familiar to us in our everyday lives. For example, I use the bus to go to work. Here, the bus refers to the general concept of public transportation, not a specific bus. There are quantity expressions where we can only use the article a. For example, twice a day, half an hour, a few, a little. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. Now it's quiz time. In following sentences, you'll need to decide whether to use a or the. Read each sentence carefully and choose the correct article. Pause the video if you need to. Can you recommend me good dentist? Can you recommend me a good dentist? A is used because you are referring to any good dentist in general, not a specific one. Excuse me, how can I get to train station? Excuse me, how can I get to the train station? The is used because you are referring to a specific train station that both you and the listener likely know. Would you like cake? Would you like a cake? A is used here because you are offering a single, unspecified cake. The cake is not specific, just one from a selection. I have got a promotion. Now I am senior manager. I have got a promotion now. I am the senior manager. The is used here because the senior manager refers to a specific position that is recognized in the workplace. It is a defined role which the speaker holds. I would like to drink tea. Come join me in kitchen. I would like to drink tea. Come and join me in the kitchen. The is used because you are referring to a specific kitchen, the one you are in or talking about. The kitchen is already known in the context of the sentence. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. If you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out. Thank you for watching and see you next time!